Hello guys, this is an unboxing video for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I just got this and I thought I should do an unboxing video for it for those getting this or those planning to get this. I can't wait to open it. Alright, so box open. Let's see, what do we have? We have a couple of, let's see, we have a sticker and not a manual. You don't get a manual with it. I think you have to download the manual online, and just a getting started guide anyway. Okay, so let's see now. Yeah, I think there's a barcode in there you could use to download the manual. Next we have DaVinci Resolve. Oh, great. So we have a DaVinci Resolve license. You could download this online and use the serial number from this card. There's a memory card in there. I think DaVinci should be inside. So there is a power brick, and we have some sockets or some plugs for UK, US. I don't know what the rest is for. I don't know what other region, maybe Australia, perhaps. And the only thing I don't really like about Blackmagic is their limited, what will I call it now? Limited packaging. We have one battery in here and they did not put in an external charger. The battery has to be inside of the camera for you to charge the battery. So here's the camera. And here we go. Oh, it looks awesome. Looks great. Bigger than I thought though. It's my first time handling the camera. And there's a power button. There are 3 functions button there that you can customize for any use. Buttons or dedicated buttons for white balance. Another one for shutter and the ISO. We have 2 record buttons in front of the camera, and we have a turn dial or push dial, whatever you want to call that. It's an MFT mount, so you can have your Micro Four Third cameras. There are some vents around the camera just to make sure it's able to dissipate heat easily. And there are 2, I don't know what I'll call this now, maybe speaker or mics, but you know, they're there. There's an indicator for recording, so if you are in front of the camera, you know that the camera is recording. And you have a standard base, screw hole or whatever you want to call that for a tripod. And for the jacks, you have the microphone and the headphone. They both use quarter jack. And for the HDMI, it's a full HDMI. It's a standard HDMI port. I really love this. I love the idea of having a full HDMI port as opposed to using the micro HDMI jack that I have on the GH4. I really feel those things don't they aren't strong, or if something hits it, it could break off easily. Other ports down here, which is the power and the USB, that's a Type C, and you have a mini XLR jack, which is also awesome. Now going on to the screen is big. I love the size of the screen. You could see a whole lot. A couple of reviews have said that this thing isn't all the way awesome in the sun. I haven't tried it out till then. I mean, it's awesome indoors, so I really have to say that. And as for the battery door, I have read a couple of reviews about the battery door and how it may be slack, or it doesn't hold firm, especially if it has a little bit of push or jitter on it. So there is a video I did a couple of years ago about a DIY battery door fix. I'll put a link in the description and you can check for that video if you have the battery door issue. So I'm going to pop in the battery now. LPE6, by the way, it's the same battery Canon use, LPE6 model. And we're going to turn it on, and just in some seconds, and it's on. Alright, so that's it. I don't have any lens with me. This is just an unboxing. I just want you to know what comes out of the box when you buy this. And it's an awesome build. I'm going to use this. I'm going to do another video very soon, hopefully once I start using this, and I'm going to talk about my experience using the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. So that's it. Thanks for having me. I hope you really found this video useful. If you're just planning to buy this camera, don't forget to please share, like, and if you have any comment, do put it in the comment section below.